Pagtungtong pa lang niya sa stage, may authority na agad. This is Roxanne Allison Bayens, representing the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. Mestiza beauty with striking features and strong bone structures. Hindi lang siya basta maganda ha, may power ang kanyang mukha at may dating pang international. Roxanne is known for her confident stage presence and commanding walk. Kapag rumampa siya, ramdam mo yung control, hindi siya nagmamadali, hindi kinakabahan, and she owns the spotlight. Alam niyo, napapansin ko, kapag nagsasalita siya, very clear, direct, very intelligent, may composure na parang sanay na sanay sa high-pressure moments. Sa totoo lang siya yung tipo ng kandidata na hindi kailangang magpa-cute para mapansin. She leads with strength, with absolute impact, and with intention. At sa isang kompetisyon na puno ng malalakas na pangalan, Roxanne stands out because she brings balance, elegance with edge, and beauty with authority. Ito ang tanong ko sa inyo mga bear. Handa na ba ang Pilipinas sa isang queen na may ganitong klaseng presence? Si Roxanne Allison Bayens na ba ang susunod na Miss Universe Philippines? Because sometimes, the crown doesn't go to the loudest. It goes to the most commanding. What are your thoughts about this? Don't forget to leave your comments and opinions below. Tara, pag-usapan natin. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please follow me for more. Bye!